Hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful morning this morning, and today I would like to go over the XRP price chart. So as we can see here, not much has happened since we last left off. We're still kind of just zigzagging our way to the upside, which is great to see. It just seems like we're not doing any back tests. We just keep pushing higher highs. And that sometimes can be the way that XRP goes when it's starting its bull run structure. So it does a couple higher highs. As we could see here, kind of on the larger time frame here of the 4 hour, the SEC appeal, that was the top. So we back tested that top. It was an important area. We had this whole range from this very last consolidation on the end here of the XRP price chart. This was really the confusing, hard time at the very end of the consolidation where it was very confusing and it was a tough structure to follow. If you were sitting through all of this, you really got thrashed around and went nowhere from July 31st until October. So really not doing anything, bunch of fake outs, but finally we got to move past this zone. So now where are we at right now? We are breaking out of the SEC appeal, one back test, and let's go down a little further. You're coming up here. You're making it an ascending triangle, which is usually not necessarily a great thing, but luckily in this case we have these three highs which are creating a level, and they are creating a trend line, and I expect this trend line to get broken. As you can see, there's a little bit of rotation into XRP today. Some of the other coins are cooling off, and XRP is getting a nice little 5% move. It's really just staying up here at the 70 cents mark, which is great, which we want to see. If you go back to the 2017 bull run, we had an initial break out of our consolidation structure, very similar to this on the daily. So we got a break to the upside on the daily if you go back to the 2017 bull run. And then we got a consolidation right here above this level of the SEC appeal of this ending triangle. We got a consolidation right above here of about 5 days. So if you check the 2017, you get about 5 days here of consolidation after we break this range, and then we start to move up extremely strongly. Is the time scale going to play out exactly the same? Not necessarily. It could be a week, 2 weeks. But now that we set these higher highs, 2 higher highs was not good to see necessarily. I knew, okay, hey, we're going to get a little bit of a pullback. But actually 3 higher highs in a perfect trend line is just asking to get broken. So we're probably going to go ahead and move to the upside. Once we break out of here, XRP BTC has a better structure that's more manageable for targeting. But once we break out of here, I'm expecting that we actually might touch 80 cents within a day or two. Yeah, a day or two. I'd say we're pretty close. If we consolidate here, we're looking at about 5, 6, 7 days. Maybe 2 weeks, longest, but we're going to see how it goes. This is exactly what we want to see. We're just hanging out at the 70 cents level. We want to hang out here just a little bit longer, possibly get a little more consolidation here if we don't just break to the upside right away. And then once we break these 3 higher highs, which I know is happening, it's going to happen because XRP creates levels like this that are just so clean, begging to get broken. So 2 higher highs, not a good thing, but 3 higher highs in a perfect trend line is just asking to get broken. So I'm assuming that we're coming up here, and once we break this, I'd say we have enough juice on the XRP BTC consolidation to at least get us up to 78, 79 when this does occur. So yeah, we're just waiting here, maybe 5, 6, 7 days. We're just getting the smallest little cool-off period, but really the start of the XRP bull run is marked by consecutive green daily candles. with a 5-day consolidation around a 5-day consolidation once you break out of your initial structure. So we're waiting, we're sitting here. How long is this consolidation going to last? The structure is a little bit bigger, so it could go anywhere from 5 days to 2 weeks if that's what's going on here. But we got this little red candle, so from the very beginning, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add a little more because it's a macro. It's larger than 2017 bull run consolidation. So let's add maybe 5. So we already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'd say if not sooner, we're gonna get a move Thursday next week, possibly Monday to Thursday. I think we're going to chill out here at these levels for the weekend, which is actually a really good thing because volatility is going to die down, and then we can normalize the 70-cent level. If we end up closing the week tomorrow at 70 cents or above 70 cents, then volatility will die down for the weekend usually, and we can create this new level of 70 cents and normalize this area. I hope you all have a great day today, and thank you.